Hi everyone, welcome to Barker-Stargazer's YouTube channel. We are not doing a crochet video today. We are doing one of those rare videos which isn't crochet and is actually art. This video is an art, clothes, upcycling, make do sort of video, I think. Now, I have this pair of denim jeans and a little denim pinafore dress, which I have started working on. These are going to be for my twin girls. The jeans are going to twin 1 and the dress is going to twin 2. I'm using fabric paint from Arteza for this project and many paintbrushes. Now, as the jeans are going to twin 1, I am taking inspiration from one of her favourite movies, The Nightmare Before Christmas. I am going to be taking inspiration from Sally's patchwork dress. I'm going to be painting the patches from the dress onto the jeans. My aim is not to cover the full jeans, but just to create the patches themselves and the patterns that go on top. The dress has been designed by Twin 2 herself. She wants little tiny daisy flowers and multicoloured stripes. And that's what we're going to do. I've got cardboard in between the layers of the jeans and the dress for when I'm painting, just to prevent bleed through. And I will be doing 2 coats of paint on most pieces. And then the detail work, such as the centre of the daisies and the stitch details for the patches, will go on afterwards. I'm aware these lines could be neater, but I do not have any tape that I can use on fabric at all. So if any family's watching, I've got that pesky birthday coming up soon. So can I have some like washi tape? Pretty washi tape. Good quality stuff. Stuff that I'll be able to put onto fabric and will stop paint bleeding through. And here are the finished pieces being modelled by my lovely little models. Twin 1 with her beautiful Sally inspired jeans, and Twin 2 with her bespoke designer dress. And we will see you next time. Bye!